Who was he?
A king.
Georgie?
Oh no, that's not George. That is the King of Kings. That's Christ.
Was Christ greater than Georgie?
He's greater than George. He's greater than Shaka.
This death, hanging from a tree near weeping old women, is not worthy of a king.
No, it's not.
How did he come to die?
He was betrayed by those that he loved the most.
Yes. Why are you ever silent? Are you afraid? Do you bow down before this dead King Christ?
No. Christ is not my king.
Ah. You have doubts that Christ is the King of all kings.
Yes, Nkosi, I have my doubts.
So you two belong to different tribes?
Yes.
And King Jesus came from your tribe?
Not from my tribe. From his tribe.
The ways of you whites are a dark mystery. Those warriors near the tree with Equas, were they part of his regiments?
No, we have no regiments. Only 12 men, unarmed.
Yet you call him King of Kings, greater than Shaka.
Yebo, Nkosi.
Why?
Well, whether my friend Zacharias or you know it or not, Christ is the Lord of the whites. He is the Lord of the Zulus. He is the Son of the heavens.
Christ had to die so that the heavens would pass that power on to me. The youth they've given me is proof that I've inherited that power. Heavens belong to Zulu, and Shaka is their son. If the swallows wish to be my friends, they must remember that in this land, there is only one Kosi Yamakosi, only one King of Kings.
Yakun.
That is a gift from the swallows.
But you cannot fault Shaka's deductive reasoning. Christ to heaven, heaven to Zulu, Zulus to Shaka. I wouldn't be surprised if someday Christ were wedged snugly into Zulu genealogy. That seems to be the curious legacy of Jesus, to be adopted by others.